welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Chief Minister agrees his mistakes, says abolition of house tax in Panchayat area was his mistake. Only BPL families to get the benefit in future. Some political leaders and NGOs urge Governor not to swear in Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy as Goa Lokayukta. Challenge his appointment, said do not want yes men and partisan Lokayukta. Giving package to mining dependents is a wrong step. Giving doles for business risk is a wrong precedent. Experts opine in the debate. Pedne Swabiman Nagrik Samiti comes out in staunch support of Mopa Airport. Opposes Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai's stand on Mopa. Public meet on 6th April at Pedne. Pope Francis George Broglio of Argentina is the new Pope. He is first from outside Europe in more than a millennium. And Vasco Sports Club's beach run on Sunday to encourage smoke-free and tobacco-free society. Now the news in detail. Finally, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has agreed that his decision to abolish house tax in Panchayat area was wrong. Parrikar revealed this while having a budget chat with some of the citizens in Panji on Thursday. CM clarified that the scheme would be valid only for families below poverty line. Parrikar also said that he tried his level best to fulfill expectations of the people last year. However, he had to clear debt of the previous Congress government.
Go to Kalvi, the bridge is 74% completed physically. 30th May is my target date for inauguration. In 7 months, 12 days. 8 महीने मिल रहा है. To show that you can do it. Zuari bridge in 36 months. I agree. It should have now started. So I have issued instruction that by 30th, if central government does not permit, we are going from inviting tender. NIT का नाम सांगला 30 जून पर्यंत. जर central government agree झालं तर सक मारू आम्ही करूया. 8 major bridges which were promised out of 11. The consultants are on the job. Panchayat tax abolition probably was not a very appreciated decision, though it was an assurance of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So we have already reversed the decision and now it is applicable only to BPL families. So Panchayats are free to collect tax. I saved 10 crores. A lot of people say that I don't admit mistake. There is one mistake which I can admit. Go to the university. If someone has gone. To the left, इतर राज्य वातून गडा चालू असता. पोचून पळया म्हणतो. 189 footings of huge size. तुमका सांगपाक सांगता दिसाक 100 to 150 cubic meter of concrete is being poured there. A hall which will be 120 meters by 90 meters without a single pole in between. येणाऱ्या सप्टेंबर महिन्याच्या एंडाक 8000 लोकांक बसपाक sports indoor sports facility will be available next to the university. पण पणजी चड ना ग्रह आधार जवळजवळ 28000 बायलांक ऑलरेडी मेळटा. By year end it will be more than a lakh.
The GDP ratio which is rising around 30%, what does the government propose to do and how do they plan to mitigate it?
That GDP ratio about 28 is considered as very safe. In Goa, in short term it may even go to about 32% because of drop of GDP, not because more loans are taken. Because GDP has dropped, crushed because of mining by 20%. you may find GDP ratio, debt GDP ratio going to even 33%. But that is only a jugglery of, in real terms you have to see what are the loanings. आता आम्ही अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग करतले आम्ही कॉस्ट काढली 28,000 कोटी येता. I have told them, but power डिपार्टमेंटाची परिस्थिती कितें करून दवरला. तो चीफ इंजिनियर 9 वर्सां एक्सटेंशन दिला. आता 31 रिटायर जाता. फायनली
some political leaders and NGOs have urged the governor of Goa not to swear in Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy as Goa Lokayukta. They have challenged selection of Justice Reddy as the Lokayukta. Advocate Iris Rodriguez says that Goa needed a strong Lokayukta bill. Now, Justice Reddy should clarify the amendments suggested by him in the Lokayukta. NGOs claim that they do not want yes men and partisan Lokayukta. Delegation will meet the governor on Friday.
My request to His Excellency the Governor of Goa, B.V. Vanchu, is in these circumstances not to administer the oath of secrecy, oath of office to Justice Sudarshan Reddy as Goa's Lokayukta. The selection of B. Sudarshan Reddy has been done is questionable. My first complaint before the Lokayukta would be to an act of utter maladministration by the Honorable Chief Minister. Justice Sudarshan Reddy also needs to explain to the people of Goa as to why he suggested to the Chief Minister those draconian and uncalled for amendments that were passed in the last assembly. It would be a very tough task to embarrass a retired Supreme Court judge, but come what it may, if Goa is not getting a sturdy Lokayukta, it would be our duty to send Justice Sudarshan Reddy back to Hyderabad from where he is coming.
Economists in Goa have stressed the need to stop giving packages to the mining dependents. They feel it is a defective step by the government and government should not take responsibility of the situations arising out of business risk. They have requested the government not just to revoke the decision eliminating house tax in Panchayat area but also VAT on petroleum. These points were raised during our weekly program, The Debate. The topic was, has CM succeeded in implementing his last budget?
Giving doles for business and तुम्ही fail झाले for whatever reasons, ताका तुम्ही doles दिवप हे बरोबर नाही. आता take the case of example of आता announce केला ते because of mining sector affected people. जर कोण बाबा salaried person आशिल्लो, ताजो job lose जाला because of government decisions or court decisions and all that, जाल्यार ताका benefit दिवप बरोबर. म्हणून एक कोणाचो जर धंदो बंद जाला बिकॉज ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसिजन और गव्हर्नमेंट डिसिजन आणि ताका जर तुम्ही जर आता डोल दिता जाल्यार फाल्यां हो प्रेसिडेंट सेट जातलो प्रत्येकाक तेच करचें पडटलें न्ही. फाल्यां गोंयच्यो सगळ्यो प्लास्टीक इंडस्ट्री आसा त्यो बंद करच्यो पडल्यो. तांचे सो ते सगळे प्लास्टीक इंडस्ट्री एकठांय जातले सीएमा कडेन येतले आतां बंद केलें तुवें प्लास्टीक बंद जालें सो आमकां कितें आमकां पॅकेज दी.
One advice that you want to give Chief Minister when he's writing his budget speech?
I think that he should restore the taxation side. I will say he should restore the house tax to panchayats. First of all, actually he should do what he has undone. Second thing, he should have a VAT on petrol. Egoche घेऊन बसप ना, because if petrol it is a scarce and priceless commodity. तो चिमटो लागपाक जाय तो यूज करता तेन्ना लोकांक. ते आमी सवाय केले आणि पैसे सगळे घराने पावले ही पिशपणा. पेट्रोल यूज करता तो पेंट लागपाक जाय आणि डोल्स पय दितात ते फक्त डीएस
मायनिंगाचे सुद्धा मायनिंग पॅकेज सुद्धा
of course because there is no insurance company which insures business risk.
Goa government has appointed Antrujmal Shigmotsav Committee for organization and management of annual Shigmotsav parade in Ponda Taluka. The parade will be held on 27th March under chairmanship of Sudin Daulikar. Government has denied opportunity to Ravi Naik's Samiti to hold Shigmo in Ponda. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.